Hello, welcome to Pianguita Beach. In the Columbia Pacific, las that 30 minutes from Buenaventura. In the paradisiacal beach of Pianguita, surrounded by imposing landscape and lush marble vegetation. Where to stay? What can do you? It is paradise and develop ecological and artisanal tourism with cabins and hotels typical of the Pacific region. You can now miss this ecotourist destination that is always party and with music of the beach. Remember, you can enjoy the beach, the scenery, and hiking. Where to go? You must so go in March or April. Go it is hot and year round. What to eat? What to eat? Its people are very bright and help with and its kissy gastronomy by one of the major touristic attractions is the area. You have to try the tapao and the variety of fish they prepare. While to try, you must try text the Arabian breaks. It is aphrodisiac drink made with varieties of ingredients such as alcohol, dirty wood paints, space, honey, and liquor. Transportation. You move from Buenaventura, Thailand, 20 minutes for ride from the touristic dock, which is about 500 meters away from the transportation terminal. It is place where it is place they speak Spanish. Currency has the Colombian peso tipping. You don't have to hide it, but the people are very helpful. They finish desperate. Superstition. It is how if you make a water bug and cause insane, you have good luck. If you poke garlic bugs, you protect yourself from spirits. Table things. It is most necessary to wear sunscreen. You have to mosquito repellent. You must keep hydrated. Don't have to forget to socks.